Imagine trying to predict the exact 3D shape of a building just by knowing the list of materials inside it. For 50 years, scientists faced a similar challenge with proteins, a mystery known as the protein folding problem. Proteins are life's molecular machines, controlling everything from how our bodies fight disease to how they build tissue. But understanding how they work meant first knowing their complex 3D structure, a process that could take months or even years of expensive lab work for a single protein. This created a massive bottleneck in biology. Out of billions of known protein sequences, the structures for only about 100,000 had ever been solved. Then, Google DeepMind's AlphaFold arrived and solved the problem in minutes. It predicted protein structures with atomic-level accuracy, proving to be 3 times more precise than any previous method. This wasn't just an improvement, it was the fundamental solution to a puzzle that had stumped the world's brightest minds for half a century. So how did AI learn what humans couldn't teach it? Previous methods had hit a dead end, either by trying to simulate the impossibly complex physics of folding, or by looking for known, similar proteins. AlphaFold took a revolutionary approach by combining deep learning with what it calls evolutionary intelligence. The system analyzes millions of related protein sequences, essentially learning from nature's billions of years of experimentation to understand which structural patterns work. Its novel neural network architecture then incorporates both this biological insight and the physical laws that govern how proteins fold. The result was an incredible atomic accuracy of 0.96 angstroms, which is comparable to slow and expensive experimental methods. To put that in perspective, the next best computational method was only accurate to 2.8 angstroms, and a single carbon atom is only about 1.4 angstroms wide. This incredible precision proved that AI had created a paradigm shift in science. But what makes this story truly remarkable is what Google did next. Instead of keeping this groundbreaking discovery private, they gave it away, making the code and a massive database of protein structures open source and free for everyone. This single decision ignited a global revolution in research. Today, over 3 million researchers across 190 countries use AlphaFold, accelerating their work in ways once unimaginable. It has profoundly democratized science, giving more than 1 million users in developing nations access to a tool they could never have afforded. We're already seeing the incredible impact, as scientists use it to accelerate cures for diseases like cancer and malaria. For example, researchers finally solved the structure of a key protein involved in heart disease that had eluded them for decades, while others are now engineering plastic-eating enzymes to combat pollution. AlphaFold's journey proves that the greatest scientific breakthroughs happen when knowledge is shared, not hoarded. This breakthrough wasn't an endpoint. It was the beginning of a new era we now call digital biology. In 2024, Google DeepMind released AlphaFold 3, which can predict not just protein structures, but how they interact with other critical molecules like DNA, RNA, and even potential drugs. This new capability enables scientists to design and test medicines computationally before ever stepping into a lab. It has the potential to dramatically accelerate drug discovery, a process that traditionally takes over a decade and costs billions of dollars. And the impact extends beyond medicine, helping us engineer more resilient crops for climate change and even understand the evolution of extinct species. This fundamental advance for humanity was recently recognized with the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. We're witnessing the moment when AI stopped being just a tool for processing data and became a true partner in scientific discovery itself.